Attackman here, attackman here, attackman here, midi here, midi here, midi here. Here's our restraining box. Okay, does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. The idea, guys, this is a tough offense to run because of the way the ball has to move around the outside. It's not easy, but if we do it well and we have good crease play, it's very hard to defend against. So, let's say the ball's up here with this midfielder. In order for us to start to move the ball, this attackman needs to come up to about goal line extended. This midi needs to run the ball to here, make a nice little 10-yard pass. Once that happens, as that's happening, this attackman is going to come to X. He catches it, goes to the outside like we just worked on, bangs the ball back here to X. As that's happening, this midfielder is now going to come all the way down here. This attackman will make that pass. And as that's happening, our midfielder that started our whole rotation is going to come up here to receive this pass from that midfielder. When we say climb the ladder, that means the midfielder that's closest to the restraining box gets nice and high. So now what happens is we've got, after all that rotation's happened, we've got a midi here. We've got a midi that was here that received it. We had an attackman here and an attackman here. Look at all this space that midfielder up top has to run. He can go right, he can go left, doesn't matter. So now we've got an alley dodge. We've got this guy, if he dodges left, this guy cuts through. If he dodges right, this guy cuts through. That makes sense? Okay. That's the rotation around the outside. On the inside, most important, on the inside, when the ball is somewhere on the perimeter, ball's here. These two, we talked about this in the fall. Who can tell me where these two should be? Go, Freddie. Opposite and away. Exactly, opposite and away. So now our guys are going to be low. So now, for some reason, if this guy, midi, dodges, look how long that slide is from these two guys. Nearly impossible to get there. If they're standing here in the middle, that's a pretty easy slide. Okay? So opposite and away. Ball's transferred to this attackman. Our crease guys are opposite and away. Ball's here. Our crease guys are opposite and away. All for the same reasons. On the inside.